Oh my gosh, this is tight in here. I just can't. Let's try something here. Okay. 1, it's going to be difficult. 2, let's try number 2. Okay. Ooh. I think that manifold might be coming out sooner or later. Oh, it's 15. Okay, that's another one. Okay, one more to go. Thanks. Okay, one more up there. Okay, let's try. Let's get that out. Using this one. Maybe. Let's try from up top. Okay, so yeah, from up top, I think. It's right beside. I'm gonna tackle it from up top. I just don't know how. I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's take. I think it's the right one. Oh, it is. It is. It is. So I just gotta keep loosening that one. This is gonna work. And just set on a bolt. Nice. You can hold that for me again. Yeah. I'll fall my ass. Oh. Okay, multi-purpose bracket is down. Now we have access to the PTU. And like I said, hoping I don't have to take that manifold out, but, well, not holding my breath. We shall see. Still got a bit of a drip from the axle housing. Pain in the ass. Okay. Next, we take off the PTU. And those bolts are gonna be definitely this one here, which is looks like a 10 point. This one we're gonna have to access from the back. On top, which are gonna be the one I think I just removed, and then one a tough one to reach, which we may have to come from the top. It's gonna be back here. I think I might take this heat shield off, get a better view, unless there's something going on up here. Yeah, that's the other bolt. Okay, we're gonna take this heat shield off. 10 millimeter ratcheting box wrench, please. 10 millimeter. Shorty, please. Being in the drip zone. Yuck. And I know everybody don't need to say it. I should have drained. Actually, 10 millimeter socket on a 1/4 inch ratchet. Don't everybody say it. I should have drained trying fluid. I know. Let's try here. Let's try and stay a little clean. At least until we can get this heat shield off.
Well, you have the short hand.
The socket?
Get that one.
This one, it'll fit the big one. I think it's 8 millimeter. I think. Yeah, I need so the little guy, it's already got an 8 millimeter on it. Or 8 millimeter bolts. Okay. Okay, put those separate. One. Ouch. I have not yet invested in an electric ratchet or battery ratchet. It is something, sorry, sound of a ratchet. It's something I think I'm going to soon, but haven't got there yet. I'm a backyard mechanic, so it's not my full-time trade. Okay, yeah, 10 millimeter. So ratcheting one of these. I do love my ratcheting box wrenches though. Oh, 8 millimeter, please. My bad. I think, yeah, it's the last one. I can stop.
There's no mini one.
I can stop sipping transmission fluid. Yep. Oh, jeez. See, there we go. Get out of the drip zone. All right, access to the PTU. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's tackle the hardest one first, behind the exhaust manifold. Again, sure. Ooh, 10 point. Oh. Okay, E14. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, E14. 10 point E14. And I want to see, I guess, the hardest one first. Which is up here, which I think I can get. Well, I'm going to go from up top, I think. Tackle that one. Yeah, I'm going to go from up top. Okay. Well, up top is much easier. It's a little bit in the air. But basically, this one and that one. So we're going to tackle that from up here. Try to. See if I can get you guys connected onto something. There. Okay. It's one loose. This one's going to need a short extension. Nope. Too long. Okay. Having a hard time getting the... Oh, there we go. Oh, and we're off. Okay, here we go. And that one's loose as well. Okay, we'll take these out and then we'll head back down to underneath the truck. Oh, thank you. Okay. Well, definitely got the right bolts out. Oh, this is a little premature though. I gotta get this one all the way out first. Okay.
You alright?
I think so. Oh gosh. Okay. 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 Let's try. Whoa, what a mess. Okay. Okay. I can probably get that out now. Okay. Well, it's out and you don't have to remove the exhaust manifold. Let's get that flashlight out of your guys' eyes. Sorry about that. It's out and it doesn't have, you don't have to remove the exhaust manifold. So here we go. I'll just took basically 3 hours because I started at 9. Okay. Here's the old PTU unit out. All right. Now it's off to the wrecker to find a replacement.